Y'all, what's up, y'all? The creek, I went back there yesterday. It ain't really riding the water, but it definitely's got water in it, so that's where we're headed. And it's got some more than it's had. It's nothing crazy, but it's water nonetheless. So we're about to go back there. See if we can have a little bit of fun in the water. Mess around. And not sink it, that's the main goal. I ain't doing nothing crazy in the water because I'm still getting used to riding with these 32s in water. Just like how I was with the 28s. I gotta get used to it. Some water right here still, so that's a good sign. Shoot, it might have got higher. I don't know if it rained today. I don't think it did. Don't look like it did. But still, water might have flowed into it. I don't know. Yesterday it wasn't high. Yeah, it's about the same, if not a little lower. It ain't got higher. Actually, it may have got a little. I can't really tell, to be honest, from here. I'm gonna have to go in it for a minute. Alright, let's go. I left my phone at the house because I knew we'd be on water. It might have got a little shallower. I can't really tell. Obviously, though, the more we ride in it, the shallower it's going to get because, as you can see, how water splashes up on the sides up there. It absorbs it. The more and more it does it. And it knocks some out. I ain't seen no snake in here yet. The water might be too cold for one, to be honest. The water's pretty cold. Like my leg's freezing. Oh, I forget there's a tree in here that I about got stuck on yesterday and I couldn't get it out almost. So I need to be careful. I need to move it, honestly. That's what I'm about to do. See, I'm spinning my tires on it right now. My front tires are off the ground. It's just making me dig. Alright, I'm gonna move it. I can't really see it good. I'm gonna walk over there and grab it. I don't want to burn too much gas. Alright. Y'all pray that I don't get bit by no snake. Dang, what's all that water pouring out of that little storage compartment where that Honda thing is? Well, not storage compartment, the reverse light place. That's what we're gonna call it. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is the stick. Yep. I know you're probably like, how'd you get stuck on this little thing? I don't know. It just kind of makes the tires spin and lose traction, I reckon. And look at the clay on it. I got clay on my hand. Gonna have red bugs tomorrow. Yay. No, I'm just playing. I ain't got red bugs since I was like 8 for real. Last time I was 8. I used to hate when I get red bugs for real though. Also, I gotta get rid of that winch. Like the cords hanging up. Because when I got red bugs, my mom would always make me put like fingernail polish on them. And it was always so aggravating. That junk like burned. It was cold. Alright, we're about to go back down in. Now we should be able to back up better. Yeah, it ain't even spinning. Yeah, look how much farther we backed up already. That's about as far as we're gonna be able to back up, I believe. I really did miss riding underwater for real. But this is nice. My tires are just spinning in this clay. It's gonna take a while for the bottom to get hard again. Until then, I'm gonna have to be careful. Right, that joker on that. Alright, I might do another. I might try and reel it in the shallow water. With the 28s, I could get it up in water like this because it spun in like butter. I doubt it will these. And we got up for a minute. I'm gonna back through it. Haters will say I'm a bad driver, but they just saw that. Dang it, I tried to wheel it without getting on the back of that little bit of water. It didn't work at all. Let's go to this mud hole by Grand's house. Starting to look like it did before when it was really bad. Like the mud was bad. When the Outlaw 3s were getting stuck in this. I do that every time. One day there's gonna be a snake in that tree and he's gonna fall on me. That'd be kind of funny, but I'd be scared as freaking mad. I have a heart attack the day that happens. just standing in the middle of the road, a little doe. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like and sub. Peace.